I made this, and this. And I didn't use any Photoshop, Midjourney or DALL-E. I made this all in seconds for free with a brand new AI from Google that has completely changed the game. The world of AI image generation just got its biggest update ever. And your mind is about to blow. Today I am going to show you an AI tool so powerful and so fast. It doesn't just create images, it can build entire apps for you from a single sentence. This is the future and you are about to get in front row seat. Okay, so what is this magic tool? Eternally, it's known by the code name of Nano. It's Google's next generation image model, powered by the new and incredible efficient Gemini 2.5 Flash. And the best part is, you can access this cutting edge technology right now for free inside of Google's AI Studio. It's the engine behind the whole new suite of creative tools, and we are going to dive in right now. Okay, let's start with the basics. Generating image from text. I'm going to throw 3 very different, very complex prompts at it to show you the sheer range and quality of what this thing can do. For our first prompt, let's create a fantasy world. I'm typing an ancient, moss-covered library inside a giant redwood tree. Glowing rains carved into the bark, shaft of moonlight filtering through the leaves, cinematic, hyper-detailed fantasy art style. Okay, I have given the prompt. Let's see the magic, what it will create. Let's wait for 2-4 seconds. Okay, it's done. Look at that. The atmosphere, the lightning, the incredible detail on the bark and the glowing rounds. It didn't just create an image, it created a world. The level of understanding here is just incredible. I really liked it. Okay, now for something completely different. Let's taste its realism with an action shot. My prompt is a close-up action photo of a kingfisher bird bursting out of the water, individual droplet of water dozen in midair, its feathers catching the morning sun shot on a high-speed camera, National Geographic style. Okay, so I hope this prompt will work. I think it takes lesser time also than other image generation tool. I think it's done now. Okay, let's check it. Wow, just wow. This looks like a real award-winning photograph. The physics of the water splash and the detail in the feathers and the perfect lighting. It's flawless. You can see this. But can it do creative design? Let's give it an abstract task. I will type a minimalistic logo for a coffee shop called Quantum Brew, featuring a streaming coffee cup merging with an atom's electron orbit or a clean white background. Okay, I have given the prompt and now let's see what it will do. Just wait for 2-3 seconds. I think it's fast. Okay, it's done now. And there you go. A clean, clever and creative logo in seconds. This shows it doesn't just copy the styles, it understands the concepts also. Now, I have used every AI image tool out there, and I have to be honest with you, the speed at which Nano generate these high-resolution images is just stranging. We are talking a few seconds for creation that are poster quality. And the quality, the level of detail, the understanding of light, texture and physics. It's a level of consistency and realism that right now even OpenAI's best models are struggling to match. The game has truly been raised to a new level. But what if I told you that generating images is the only half of the story? This is the where Nano and AI Studio leave everyone else behind. It doesn't just create content, it creates tools. Let's head over to the app section into AI Studio. These are some pre-built applications, all powered by Gemini and Nano. They are designed to perform specific tasks. Look at this one here is called Pixshop. It's simple one-click photo editor. Let me show you. I'm going to upload a normal selfie of myself. Now inside the Pixshop app, I have few different tiles filters. I am just going to click this anime filter. Okay, let's give it 2 to 4 minutes. Let's wait for some time. Okay, it is processing right now. Okay, it is ready. Look at that. It's perfectly captured my features but translated them into high quality professional anime style. It understands the core subject of the image and can rebuild it into a new aesthetic. How cool is that? Okay, using a pre-made app is great, but what if the exact tool you need doesn't exist? Well, you just ask the AI to build it for you. This is the part that will change everything for creators. You can create any SaaS product, any application. Maybe it will make it a little bit basic, but it will make by using Nano Banana, which is called Gemini 2.5 Flash. Okay, let's make a image-based app. Let's try to build an app that's actually useful for our own YouTube channels. I'm going to give it a prompt. I will type here, create an app that generate amazing YouTube video thumbnails in 16:9 ratio. It needs an upload button for a headshot image and a text box for the video's title and generate button. Whatever is written on the text box should be mentioned on the image in neon writing. Okay, so I have given the prompt. Here we have to give it some time as it's preparing the whole new app. I think it will do within some seconds. Let's wait. It's processing right now. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's wait for more 2-3 seconds. Okay, here it is. And watch this. The AI starts building the user interface right in front of us. It has understood my request. Here our app is a clear upload button, text box for the title, and a big generate button. It literally just built a custom piece of software for us. Now let's taste it. I will upload a same headshot of me and I will type in a title for this video. Let's say the future of AI is here, and I will hit the generate button. Okay, it started generating. Our app is working actually. Okay, just wait for 1-2 seconds more. Okay, and that it is a custom made YouTube thumbnail created by a custom made app, and that we designed with a single sentence. This is a level of creation and customization that is completely underrated. Okay, so this app we have made with the help of Gemini 2.5 Flash, which is Nano Banana. So you have built your own amazing AI tools with the help of this particular image editor. What now? You don't have to just leave it inside AI Studio. Google gives you multiple ways to deploy it and share it with the world. You can use Google API to integrate your new app directly into your own website or services. If you are a developer, you can connect it to the GitHub and build it into your own projects, or for more robust application, you can deploy the app directly through the Google Cloud. The point is, the tool you built here are not just toys. They are real, functional and deployable application that you can use in your business or share with your community. We just used a single AI platform powered by Nano Banana and Gemini 2.5 Flash to generate world-class images from text, edit existing photos with pre-built apps, and even build our very own custom AI application from a single sentence. This is more than just an image generation. It's an entire creative studio. The future of content creation is just about using AI. It's about building your own. If this video blew your mind and opened up a world of new possibilities for you, do hit that like button and make sure you subscribe with notification on, because the AI revolution is happening fast and you don't want to get left behind. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next one. Thanks.